everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and today I'm inviting you to join me and all my Canadian die-cast customizing friends to another Canada Day annual die-cast celebration. It's open to absolutely everyone across all social media platforms. All you have to do is choose a casting to customize, any make or model in any scale size, and do it up in the Canadian flag colors of red and white. The possibilities are endless. The date to post your work on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram is Canada Day, July 1st, so you've got ample notice. Send your glamour pics to MapleLeafCustoms@icloud.com, and I'll make a recap video showcasing your work along with all the other entries. Use hashtag Canada Day Diecast26 so we can all find each other's postings. That's it. Easy. I know we all have to pick and choose which invitationals we'll participate in. There are so many of them. I sure hope that you'll get your poutine on and take part in this one, no matter what your nationality or country of residence is. This could be the most polite invitational ever. Let me know in the comments below if you're in, eh? Beauty. G'day.